Raise your hands if you've ever been worried about the security of your Wi-Fi network. With cyber threats lurking around every corner, it's crucial to know how to protect your online space. The goal here is to understand the vulnerabilities so that we can fortify our networks and keep our data safe. So let's get started. In this video, we're going to channel our inner digital Sherlock Holmes with a twist of James Bond as we focus on using Python to uncover the secrets of Wi-Fi security. This is purely for educational purposes. First, let's talk about why securing your Wi-Fi network is so important. Wi-Fi networks can be vulnerable to a variety of attacks, from simple password guessing to more sophisticated methods like brute force attacks and exploiting weaknesses in encryption protocols. In this video, we'll explore one of these methods, brute forcing, and show you how a hacker might approach it. To demonstrate this, we're going to use Python, a versatile programming language that's perfect for this kind of task. But remember, this is strictly for educational purposes, so never use this knowledge to access networks you don't own or have permission to access. Alright, let's set up our environment. We'll start by writing a Python script that simulates a brute force attack on a Wi-Fi network. The script will try different password combinations until it finds the correct one. This is a common method used by attackers, but it's also a reminder of why using strong, complex passwords is so critical. First up, we need to import our essential libraries. We're using PyWiFi to interact with Wi-Fi networks, and time to manage delays in our script. Now, for example, we define the test_password function, which creates a Wi-Fi profile, including the SSID, network name, and the password we want to test. We then remove any existing profiles to avoid interference. After that, we add our test profile and attempt to connect to the network using that password. We wait for a few seconds, and then check if the connection was successful. If the status indicates a connection, the password is correct. Otherwise, it's not. Next, in the main function, we initialize the Wi-Fi interface by getting the first Wi-Fi interface and making sure it's disconnected before starting the test. We then read passwords from a file called passwords.txt, which contains a list of potential passwords. For each password, we use the test_password function to check if it works. If we find a match, we print it out and stop the test. If none of the passwords work, we let the user know. Now, this script is a simplified version of what a real attack might look like. It's designed to show how vulnerable a Wi-Fi network can be if it has a weak password. But here's the crucial part. You can use Python to test your own network security. By understanding these techniques, you can ensure that your network is well protected against such attacks. So, how do you protect your Wi-Fi network? First, make sure you're using a strong password. Avoid common words or phrases, and consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Also, regularly update your router's firmware and consider hiding your SSID so that it's not visible to others. These steps can significantly reduce the chances of someone breaking into your network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already for more tech tips.